Before I conclude my remarks, I want to say that I was very concerned and frankly quite troubled to hear the Prime Minister's comments yesterday, that Canada may be at the back of the line when it comes to receiving a vaccine. This is quite the opposite of the assurances that the Prime Minister has been providing us as Canadians for a number of weeks and even a month or two now. He had previously indicated that when a vaccine is ready, his government has contracts signed to procure sufficient quantities of the vaccine for all Canadians and in a timely manner. In fact, if you go to the Prime Minister's own website, you will find a September 25th news release that's touting all of these signed contracts. And the news release goes, and I quote, "The Government of Canada has signed agreements with the following companies: AstraZeneca, 20 million doses, Pfizer, 20 million doses, Moderna, 56 million doses." So yesterday, the comments that were made by the Prime Minister were troubling and should be troubling for all Canadians, to say the least. And they raised serious questions about these contracts that have been signed. What are the delivery dates in the contracts? Why would the federal government sign contracts that puts Canada and Canadians at the back of the line? And will the vaccine be distributed to provinces on a per capita basis, as we've been told would happen? And most importantly, when will we start to receive the vaccine in our respective provinces? Yesterday, our Health Minister, Minister Merriman, was on a conference call with his federal and provincial counterparts, and he asked these very exact questions without any answers. So we will continue to press the Prime Minister and the federal government to provide greater clarity and to do our part to ensure that all Canadians, including those in Saskatchewan, have access to a safe, effective vaccine and have access to one in a timely manner.